The server closure is imminent. Let's see, let's see if this does anything. I'm eating my lunch. Can't wait to, oh, the server closure, is imminent. I think he, spammed it again. I wouldn't be surprised if this is just some script kiddie and he's just gonna try and, like, the server. Probably gonna fail. Or maybe he has something more sinister planned, but I doubt it. Oh, there he goes again. Watch out, everyone. The server closure is imminent. My peanut butter and jelly sandwich is, I guess it's no longer imminent. It's been eaten. I think he's been saying this for, like, I've been recording for 2 fucking minutes. I'm pretty sure his, cause he said 30 minutes, and then, I came back, he said 10, then he said 5, and now he's just been spamming imminent, for a couple. So I think soon here enough we're gonna see what what miracles this man's gonna pull out of his gaping asshole. Oh, it's imminent again. We're 3 minutes into the video now. I'm counting. Where's the server? The server is still here. It doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Oh, come on. Come on, big boy. Let's see what you got. Big boy. Oh. Well, we had someone in the chat. They said something in purple. And it's a shame. They probably had something interesting to say. Well, here's my bot. Might as well showcase it in this video since this is a this is a nothing burger if I've seen it. Yep, it's a robot. Oh no, that guy's screaming. It's like no. We're 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. It's been over 5 minutes since this guy said 5 minutes until the server closes. So I'm glad to know that this this moron is punctual at least. Up, up, up! There he goes. Maybe he's just trying to crash the server by posting too many There is no restart. Oh, I think there's another guy spamming now. There is no restart. Shut up. Yeah. I think someone else got on Cheat Engine and now there's now a spamming war between fucking Blue Man 855 and the Miracle Man. Oh, there they go. This is. I'll stop when he is banned. There is no Miracle Man. I'll stop when he is banned or stopped. Yep. This is fucking retarded. Oh. Oh, is he gonna stop? Oh, I think he stopped. Well, everyone, it's been 6 minutes. The servers are closed, as you can see. This numbskull has successfully, this fucking monkey has successfully flung his shit into the inner workings of the server mechanisms and has completely fucking crashed it. I mean, look. Well, I guess this means the server's down. Look, it doesn't work. I mean, look at this. The queue isn't even working. See, look at it. Not at all. This. Why does it say 248 battles? Last time I checked, it was nearing 1,000. Is that only the amount of battles that happened today? If so, we're at like nearly like 1,200 or so. Servers down. Ooh, Dragon Strike. We found a way to suspend users or force a disconnect. Okay. What, do you just like deposit negative GC into his account or something? Thanks for joining me on this adventure, everyone. I'm sad to say it, but Robocraft restoration project is dead in the water. This ingenious hacker man has completely destroyed the. Oh shit, he's back. I'm gonna go out to queue. He's got more shit to I was gonna say more shit to say, but really. There's not much happening here. Ah, man. Oh, I think that was a dude. What was that? Russian or something? I think there were some people yesterday. They were typing in Russian. They were using a bunch of fancy colors. You know, it would be nice if Mr. Miracle Man here would be a little creative here and like make like rainbows or something. That'd be cool. I bet he doesn't even know how to fucking make text colors. Well, if I can see if I can get the glitch here to work. There were a couple. I think one of them was you like go into one of the lights and then like jiggle around a lot. Something like that. That might be some interesting content. No, actually, it's been so long. It's not working. Oh, friends leaderboard. I'm my own friend, I guess. The server closure is imminent, as it always is. It's been 10 minutes, or it's 11 minutes into the video. Yeah, let's take a look and see what they're doing on the Discord, huh? Let's see what's happening. Okay, all right. Let's take a look, right? Is there anything happening here? Let's see. General chat. Cheating in this game is surprising. Um. Yep. Oh, they're corrupting his account data. Interesting. I was a little behind. Oh, you can resend message packets when logged out. Huh. That's an interesting theory. Has anything happened here? Oh, he hasn't posted anything new yet. Okay. Oh, Captain Cosmet is yep. Asking if he's done. Is it over? It's never over. These sort of people, they they get obsessed. Like, what kind of person would really go out of their way to do something as fucking inane as spamming the chat? It's like, I don't want to encourage people to like do to actually, you know, fuck with shit. But it's like, man, if you're gonna do something, at least make it fucking interesting. Oh man, I am cold. I think he's given up. I think he's actually given up. Huh. Well, I'm gonna keep the video running for a little while, just in case something does happen. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys some fucking enough of that. Let's ooh. Ooh, I got some mucus in my nose. That's brilliant. Oh, here we go. Battle class 2 to 3. shit, my plate's in the way. Let me move my shit. Get ready for some high stakes Robocraft content. The battle for Grease Lake has begun. Here, let's send these guys something positive, right? 3. To everyone. There we go. Gotta make sure you send it in pure fucking magenta, so to make sure that they see the message. Why isn't my radar? That's interesting. Jeez, I am getting freaking trashed by that guy. Oh, and then the yeah, wow. Shit, I must have built this wrong gun. Oh, yep. Well. Yeah, shit. Well, there's one thing we can do in times like this, and that is try and hide. You know, just so that we can survive the round. 'Cause I don't, yeah, I don't think peanut butter can do this. Then again, if they have radars, they can just find me. Well, hi there. Yeah, they're gonna cap. If this guy doesn't see me, I'm good. Well, if that guy doesn't see me, I'm good too. That guy only has, how many guns does he have? I can't shoot that guy. Nope. Yep. My gun's gone. Oh shit. Yeah, he saw me. Oof. Yo, I was so confident. Fucking wove all that armor together. Put electroplates on it. Made the wrapped the guns. Yeah. So what's happening, chat? Oh, the Miracle Man. I have trouble controlling my robot, hence I ask. One time I ended up in an enemy base, and that was a miracle. What? So, I wonder if Miracle Man has anything else to say. How do I scroll that freaking chat up? Doesn't seem like it's possible. That's unfortunate. Ooh. I'm barely in tier 3. That might also... Oh, yeah. Huh. Might be the bot designer, it might just be the fact that I don't actually have much modern armor on this thing. These, however, I think these have issues because they don't wrap around. They aren't wrapped around the armor here. So I think, as much as I hate to do this, I gotta find some way to. Oh man. Those still collide. Okay, whatever. I don't like that. Because, this is not particularly secure, and it's not behind any electroplating. But, it might work. Huh. I'm thinking maybe connection point right here might be beneficial. Maybe, I don't know. It doesn't really matter because these don't have much health. Should be good. I'm fairly certain these work. I know I tested that one. You know what? I want to make sure that I'm not clowning here, because I know I tested one of those. Ooh, okay. So, the bottom one works flawlessly, but this... It might be because the top one is actually hitting the, the gun in front of it. Huh. There's probably a way to fix that, I'm sure. Ah, there definitely is. Oh, I don't have enough CPU to... I don't need those anymore. Some real clowning hours up in here. Yeah, there we go. At the very least, these should have, okay, I have a little more boo-bucks left to spend. Bo-bucks. Those aren't connected to anything, so I can throw that there and, oh. Never mind. That's not particularly important then. These two front ones are completely, just completely out there. Oh, and that means I'm out. So, actually, oh. Huh. Yeah, that's kind of a bad situation to be in, huh? Those aren't, oh well. I've got a little bit of wrapping here. Might as well wrap on those sides. And, this isn't wrapping in the loosest terms possible. Just have something there. Yep. Well, I'll give it one more match, and then I'm calling this video over because it seems like, oh, connected chat lobby, English 0. Used to be in English 2. That's interesting. All right. Yeah, that works. That's a pretty good use for the tier 3s. Oh. Oh. Okay, alright then. Fun. SMG cruiser spotted. Plasma tank spotted. Yeah, I need to buy more electroplates. I need to get to the point where I don't have any any parts of my bot that are exposed. Oh, hi. Hi there. Okay. Something happened to my handling. Did a wheel go out? No. Maybe this thing just handles terribly. Hi. He can shoot over hills. That won't stop me. Alright. Oh, this poor man. Oh no, Kraken. Oh, nice. Oh, this thing lasted a long time. Oh my god. Fuck! Oh, that was close. That was so close. At least I get my hero bonus. Where we go? Oh, something about Amogus. Stop posting. I want that radar jammer, but 23. Oh. Hmm. And let's hope. Oh, these are the ones they are. Oh no, this are they bigger? No. 601 out of 601. Okay, alright. There's a simple solution to this. I'm sure somewhere on the spot there is another tetrahedron. It's just there for no reason. I just guess. Love how goofy this camera is. Just crawl inside of the bot. Oh. Oh, okay, alright. I have to sacrifice those. .48 BHP, huh? Now this is... wonder what that orange means. Alright, well, that's Robocraft. Oh, Miracle Man. You should try and interview them. I'll Oh, damn it. I shouldn't have asked. He's gonna start spamming again. I should have followed my own advice and just ignore him. Oh, wait, nope, he's not spamming it. Okay. Oh, just use the silence command. Well, he's not talking anymore. This is a surprising development. The developers are trying to censor my my interview here with this this infamous hacker known as the Miracle Man. All right, I'm fucking done with this. This is fucking boring. If you really watched to the end of this, you need to get a fucking life. Ugh.